It's 07:1552 a.m. In other words, it's 15 minutes, 52 seconds past 7 o'clock in the morning. And there is that UTC and the device in bracket, and the last inscription there is also device, not so.
Yeah, but just please keep in mind, every
I'm
time
saying not so.
I just
I've
want
just
to draw
read
the
you
court
information,
attention to
sir,
something, my
understand.
lord. Because now
Understand,
he's
sir.
reading time and he put words in my mouth. And I just want to put the court's attention on it. There stands UTC. In
Yes.
other words, it's 2 hours. So he can't tell me now it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So it must be 9 o'clock in the morning.
No, but
What does the UTC means? It's a plus 2 hour rule.
it's fine.
It's fine, yeah. But
It's
don't
fine.
tell me then, now you want to come back with the loud speaker and tell me I said this. Just rectify my please, my lord.
My lord, I don't know what is the court's take on this attitude. Because I'm just reading what I'm seeing here. Then the witness that takes is just diverting. Is off-ramping, I don't know to where, but this is his document that is presented to court here. And he says, I must understand what this UTC stands for. I don't know what does it stand for.
Yeah, but then he's trying to explain to you what it stands for.
But I'm going to request the court, my lord,
What?
also to try and direct this witness in a proper way. That a witness should be couth. The court must instill couthness in the
Yeah, can you
behavior of the
continue,
witness.
Mr.
Thank you, I'm proceeding, my lord.
Yeah.